位朋友，大家好，我是 Joanna 王若琳，今天要为大家推荐一首新专辑《The Things We Do for Love》为爱做的一切里面的一首 Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head。那这首歌呢是Butch Cassidy&Sundance Kid， 就是一部1969年的电影里面的主题曲。那这首歌其实当时也非常的红，然后是 Burt Bacharach 写的一首歌。可是我第一次听到的版本其实是 Ben Folds 翻唱的版本，然后是为他的一个 tribute concert 一个致敬演唱会而做的版本。那我一直都非常喜欢这样子一个很年轻的孩子气的诠释，所以那时候我们进录音室的时候，我那时候也是希望是做成比较这样子的感觉。那 anyway， 这首就是 Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head。Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. There's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free.